Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Tryptophan synthesis regulation can be tricky, but we can solve this biology puzzle fast by focusing on how the repressor protein and operator interact.
The TRPR gene produces a repressor protein that moves through the cell to find the operator. Because this protein is a mobile factor, it can work from anywhere in the cytoplasm. If we introduce a normal TRPR gene into the cell, it will produce functional repressor proteins. These proteins should fix the regulation if the original mutation was in the TRPR gene. However, a new repressor cannot fix a broken operator sequence on the DNA. This distinction makes option B the perfect experimental test for our scientist. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given facts to find the right answer.